YouTube, it's NowIAmNappy, and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. This week, I'll be featuring the Ayurvedic herb called Jatamansi or Spikenard. Now, this little shrub has amazing properties. It is grown in the Himalayas, but its actual rhizome or its root is what's used for medicine and has been used for thousands of centuries. This little herb was even mentioned in the Bible if you're curious. So it has been used throughout the centuries for many, many purposes. Now, I learned about this herb recently through my girl Deidre. I'll insert her post here about this herb. And it wasn't just because it had wonderful hair growth properties, but mainly because it is an adaptogenic herb, which means it helps to reduce and lower stress levels in your body. Now, you guys, I don't know if you're like me, but I suffer from anxiety and stress. And so I'm always looking for natural ways to help lower those stress and cortisol levels in my body. So I'm always looking for herbs that can do that. Because as you guys know, Ayurveda is not just about, skincare and hair care. And yes, that's what my page is about. But Ayurveda has wonderful internal properties. So if you're curious about some of the other internal benefits of taking this herb, I'll link that on my blog post, okay? So today we're gonna go ahead and focus on skin and hair care in this video. So some of the skincare benefits of Jatamansi is that it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that really work well against skin diseases. So it's really known to help heal dandruff, it's to help heal eczema, psoriasis, and other forms of dermatitis. Additionally, again, as I mentioned when it comes to hair care, it is known to help grow your hair faster. And it is also known to help those who are balding from chemotherapy to help grow their hair back. It's an amazing herb. Additionally, what I'm really focused on though is the fact that it can help slow down graying. All of a sudden, I have little gray hairs that are just sprouting all around, and I really want to slow down this graying process. And this herb is said to not only slow down premature graying, but it also produces a really dark and rich hair strand. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm using it and also how I found most people are using it, and that is through an oil to get the maximum benefits. So let's go ahead and get started mixing, okay? Begin with 1/3 cup of coconut oil. Next, add 1/3 cup of avocado oil and 1/3 cup of sweet almond oil. After all the oils warm up, I go ahead and add 1/3 cup of Jatamansi powder. Let the powder infuse in the oil for a minimum of 45 minutes to 1 hour. Again, I'm using a double broiler method so that the oil will not heat or burn. Okay, so I put the oil in this bottle to use for my hair. This is a great pre-shampoo treatment, and I did this intentionally by choosing oils that can help penetrate the hair shaft and protect the hair shaft during the shampooing process. And so what I'm gonna do is put this all over my hair or on my scalp, give myself a massage, and leave this on for maybe 30 minutes to an hour with a nice plastic bag so it can help penetrate in. So I'm gonna get to oiling and telling you all about its wonderful benefits, y'all. Go ahead and show you what my hair looks like under this wig. It's a hot mess. It's been a couple weeks since I washed it, so it needs a little TLC, okay? Though research is still being conducted, it is believed that the bioactive compounds in Jatamansi are jatamansic acid, Nardostachys, as well as Nardol. In one recent study, these compounds were said to help increase hair growth in mice by up to 30%. These compounds are said to impart black color to the hair, as well as protect your hair from damaging UV rays. Jatamansi also has antispasmodic properties that help reduce cramps, pain, and discomfort during your menstrual flow. It can also be used for women during menopause, as it helps regulate mood swings, sleep disturbances, dizziness, and fatigue. Jatamansi can also be used to treat fungal infections that break out on the skin and scalp. This means dermatitis and any of the skin crusts or scales that may form, including dandruff and psoriasis and eczema. Alright, so I just finished oiling my hair. I just lightly detangled with it and put it up. I'm going to go ahead and leave this on, and I will be doing a wash day video later this week, so look out about maybe on Thursday for a wash day video of me rinsing out this product out of my hair and using some brand new products for you guys. If you have any questions about Jatamansi, please let me know down below. If you guys have tried this, let me know as well. Have you used it in your regimen before? I know a few of you guys have mentioned on Instagram that you have tried this herb, so let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to check out my blog and subscribe to my channel, you guys. I have a ton of other Ayurvedic videos. If you are not subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and I'll see you next time. Bye.